So this is Professor Shoemaker, and here's a video on how to use the videos in this class. I'm in 1.1.2 functions, and here's the sandbox that we'll work through in class. But before class, as homework, you need to go through the videos and resources. So I'm going to click on that. Now, there's typically several parts in the videos and resources folder. There's a PowerPoint that's in the form of a PDF here. There's a spreadsheet, and then there's one or more videos. The spreadsheet here is important because it's the one that's being used inside these videos. And then additionally, in some of these there'll be some other helpful links to places on the web that just to provide some additional information to you. Now, I'm going to show you the best way to use the video and the spreadsheet that's included. First thing I'm going to do is download the spreadsheet. So I right-click on it. I'm using Google Chrome here. And when I right-click, it will say Save Link As. In other browsers, when you right-click, you'll get something like Save File As or something like that. It doesn't really matter. So I'm going to download the file onto my computer. And then in Chrome, it will show up here in the bottom. I click on it, and the file opens up like this on my screen. Now, what I suggest doing is positioning the spreadsheet on one side of your screen. I'm positioning it on the right-hand side of my screen over here. I'm going to click on Enable Editing. Now that I've got the spreadsheet open, I'm going to come back to my browser here and go up to the YouTube video. So you just click on this, and it will open up in another tab. And here's the video, and it starts to play automatically. Now, down here in the lower right-hand corner of the YouTube screen is a little square box here that's called the default view, which is what normally shows. And if you have the default view, then this says theater mode. I suggest switching it to theater mode. Then what I'm going to do is take my browser window and kind of shrink it over onto the left side of my screen so that I can see both the video and the spreadsheet at the same time. And notice that this spreadsheet is the one that's being used in the video. Then I can watch the video, and the best thing to do with these videos is to work along with the problem. So try it out here as the video describes how to do something. Do the same thing here. You can always stop the video and back it up and review something like that. But the really important part is to actually go through it hands-on here on the right-hand side. So it says, you know, calculate the sum of the data set in your head. Well, 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. So I'm just going to type a 6 in there and move along. But as you get down to writing the functions here, actually do them. I had one student in class who clearly didn't know what he was doing, and I said, "Did you watch the video?" And he said, "Yeah, I watched it on my phone while I was walking to class." You know what? That's not good enough. You actually have to get your hands on the thing and type. That's the way you'll get up to speed on this kind of material. So that's the best way to watch videos. If you have any questions, please ask me.